We need the roll.
We're making brownies.
We're going. This is the brownie mix.
That is the brownie mix.
These are the eggs.
Those are the eggs?
The eggs.
Oh!
Yum.
Sure. Okay. These are the eggs. I don't know what to set the camera. That's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay. Okay. We get the big pot. Big pot.
Very loud big pot.
Hello.
We are back.
We are putting the spicy, not very spicy actually, the fudgy sweet fudgy brownie mix into the pot.
Look at this chocolate.
It's expanding with amazing pace.
I just like to swim in it. It looks like gook.
Give me a spatula. You don't know what a spatula is? Spatula is...
I found it! You found it, yes?
That's not a spatula. It's a cook. Do you hear the pan? You take the pan, open the oven, and you use
Very hot oven, do not touch the oven.
You use a oven fry?
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. I mean, thank you.
The brownie mix. Now only don't use an oven mitt if you're a professional. I'm professional, so I don't use an oven mitt.
Gently, gently.
You shut up.
We're good.
The oven, you put the kitchen timer at you put that's right here. It's 25 to 28 minutes. We put it at 26. How about that? Push that.
Machine anymore. Yes, I do!
Now, I do not have plastic hands, do you?
Plastic hands? I have like 5 pairs. Look, I'll test it. No, I'm joking.
Let's not test the ones you have already.
Careful, 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 careful. We did it! We made brownies! I love your hand.
We put the mitts back in the mitt jar.
I dedicate this to you, Mom. In memory of Marissa. You're so dead. Brownies. Okay. This movie is called How to Make Brownies, not How to Break Drawers.
We turn off the oven.
Turn off the oven.
And so we made...
It's fixed! Woo! Okay, now we're back to the brownie show.
Turn on the accent. Okay.
Now it's time for the brownie show.
Let the brownies cool for 3 to 5 minutes.
55 minutes.
No, 3.
Sweet. Okay.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. I think they are 10. Let's try and see if there are something.
They cooked for about 20 minutes, so we tried fixing this drawer.
Don't come it shut. They are done!
They are beautiful.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Now you know what we do next? Picked the wrong knife.
Careful. Careful. Careful.
Shut up!
She took a bite. Goodness, how did she cut that fast?
I I don't know.
It's like a sharp knife. She took her claw.
And then, after you're done with that, pick a plate, any plate.
Plate.
This one, okay. You get the fork you used to, Well,
It's a UFO.
if you don't have the fork you already used, you use another one. And you pick a brownie. I think I picked this one. No, it's this one. No, it's this one. Okay, I picked the small one. I don't know how these will taste. Oh dear, I destroyed it. You put it on there. Here, my friend, would you rather? Brownie. We must take the first bite together.
I need help.
Okay, here we put the camera down on the resting place. We're going for the camera. Okay, ready? Ready? Take the first bite.
Wait.
Okay. Ready? Ready?
Ready. Set.
Go.
I hate it. Just kidding.
It's
This is delicious. Thank you for watching.
These brownies are
Please
masterpieces.
tune in next time to watch us be
cake.
stupid.
Next time we bake a cake and you'll see all the stupid.
Bye.
Bye. No, wait, ready? Take the elevator.
Bye. How to make brownies.
Brownies, starring as brownies.
Chef 1, Morgan the awesome.
Chef 2, Marissa the stupid.
Broken drawer, unexpected extra. Dun, dun, dun.
Scooby and Scrappy Productions. Woohoo!